make sure you're following up on estimates and proposals that are out there. Don't wait on anyone to call you back. And I know this might seem obvious, but I'm surprised a lot of times when I'm talking to clients, just about what's going on, what's working, what's not. We'll see all these good leads coming through, our system that we track. And I'm like, man, that sounded like a home run job if you got it. And again, I was talking to a client next week, and I mean, we're friends at this point, so I like to give him a hard time. But I said, man, he's like, yeah, I went out there, gave him an estimate. I think this was like a $12,000 job. And I was like, well, how'd it go? He's like, well, they were getting like 4 estimates, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it or not. So I was talking to him the following day. I was like, man, have you called her back yet? He's like, no. And I was like, Robert, call her back immediately. I was like, I don't know why you're waiting. He's like, yeah, you're probably right. Called her back. He texted me an hour later, and he says, boom, landed it. So, again, a lot of you are probably already doing this, but just in case you're not, you have to be following up with these people and then letting them know that, you're going to take precautions, et cetera, when you come over to the house. But, this lady was probably sitting here with her 4 different estimates, and if he was the first one to follow up, and in this instance, he was, so he landed the work. So be a little more proactive on any outstanding estimates, proposals that you have out there. I mean, it won't hurt, right? It's a couple emails, a couple phone calls, and it can end up to $50,000 plus, if not more, of work for you guys. You can also, any of you guys that have an email list for previous clients, and you are offering sanitization and disinfecting services, do an email blast out to them and let them know, like, hey guys, these are interesting times we're going through. Just want to let you know that if you do need our help on properly sanitizing, disinfecting your home, business, whatever it may be, we're here to help. So you can generate some business that way. And also, while you're sitting around the house, now might be a good time to circle back with any previous jobs. Maybe that you've done the past 6 months or whatever. Anybody that hadn't left you a review, shoot them an email, say, hey, just want to touch base. While everybody's in their home, right, they have time to leave you a good review. So you can email them, like, hey, if you don't mind, you're still happy with our services, if you don't mind leaving us a 5-star review. So we have a lot of clients doing that as well, just to get people. And just so you know, the Google My Business stuff, your review might not post publicly on your Google My Business profile. Google's kind of slowed down the edits and what they're allowing people to change because of this whole COVID-19 situation. But eventually they should post your Google My Business profile. So if you don't see it show up immediately, that's why Google's kind of paused the reviews going public for now. Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.